To make this beautiful butterfly, you need a square piece of paper. Fold along the diagonal. The second diagonal should be a little short from the tip. Mark a point 1 centimeter away from the tip and draw 2 skewed triangles. Now fold along the dotted lines and then fold the whole model into half. Now mark out the wings with a colored sketch pen and now cut them with scissors. Then mark the antenna with a black sketch pen and then cut the thin strip of paper. Now hold the neck and pull the tail to make the wings flap. Now you can color and make this a very pretty butterfly.